Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the slide duration in Canva. So when you create a new document on Canva, normally each slide will have exactly 5 seconds to appear before eventually it will move on to the next slide. So if I go to the present menu and then I click autoplay, click present, I'm not doing anything here, it's just running its automation automatically, and then it will start to move on to the next slide. So basically each slide will have more or less 5 seconds. If you have a lot of animation, then it could be less than 5 seconds, but yeah, that's basically the timing before jumping to the next slide. So let me close this presentation. Now if you want to change the duration from 5 seconds, let's say, to 10 seconds, or you want to make it shorter to 3 seconds, then there are 2 ways you can do that. First, you have to click on the slide that you want to edit. Let's say I want to navigate to the slide number 5 and I want to make it longer. Now I can either go to this option, I could edit the timing, and I'm going to turn it to be 10 seconds and press enter. Now you probably didn't see anything change, but this is actually becoming 10 seconds. And that's why sometimes I highly recommend to open this menu, the duration menu. So you will see that this slide, the slide number 5, now has 10 seconds. By the way, you can also play around with this slider to make it shorter or also longer. If you program this way, then I think this is also useful, especially given that it will provide the visual cue about how long the slide has become. And if you want to get something that's more precise, then you can use this edit timing menu. But regardless, that's how you can change the slide duration on your Canva presentation.